Hello and welcome back to Fish Big. We are going to do an unboxing of a LiTime battery. Li stands for lithium, so this is pretty cool. Thank you very much for sending this to me, LiTime. So let's get right into it. Just gonna get this open real quick here. See that? Okay. Put this aside. So what do we got here? Okay, so we've got a little Ziploc. I'm sure this is the instruction manual and all that good stuff. Looks like we've got some stickers in front. Oh yes, that's pretty cool. Got a whole bunch of stickers that come with it. So that's pretty cool. I'll set those there. And quick start guide. So this will get you the quick start of operating the battery. And we got a bunch of other stuff. We won't be going over this, we're just sort of unboxing it. So, but you're gonna wanna read, if you pick one of these up, you're definitely gonna wanna read the product manual. There's a couple different booklets in here. Okay, and what is in the box? So on top, we have the post bolts that are in the little, this is very well packaged, but I'll show you. Hopefully you can see that. Post bolts right here. Set those aside. It's got some really good packaging. Oh wow. Okay, and here is the battery. So it's the LiTime battery. That is pretty cool. Excellent. Once again, so this is a 12V 50AH. So that's pretty good. So there's a lot of applications I can use this for. Move this aside. Right on. So I also picked up an inverter for this. So how you get the inverter, the right wattage is 12 times 50. It's going to be 600, so you're going to want a 600 watt inverter. I happen to have that right here. But we're not going to open that right now. I haven't received the charger yet. It's still coming in the mail. But this is going to be an awesome tool. I can have it out in, in the ice tent. So if I run out of battery power on phones, drones, the underwater cameras, you can charge them right up. That's what the inverter's for. This is a really good battery for trolling motors. So I got a 30 thrust pound trolling motor, so that's going to be awesome. And how you get the hours on that is basically the 50. So a 30 thrust pound trolling motor puts out about 30 amps at top speed. So you divide that by 50, and that gives you, you're going to get about 1.6 hours at top speed with this battery on a trolling motor. But of course, you're never going to be going full speed in a trolling motor. You're going to get about 7 hours of life out of this battery, maybe 8 if you're going really slow trolling, especially if you're bottom bouncing and stuff like that. These batteries are awesome. I mean, this is a super lightweight battery. So if you have a kayak, I mean, like in a little trolling motor in your kayak, I mean, I'm thinking this thing weighs, I'm not sure, I haven't read through everything yet, but I'm thinking 10, 11 pounds. It is pretty light compared to a standard battery you'd buy. Like, they're really heavy. So that is a great benefit for that. You get, I think it's 6,000 cycles out of these things. It's crazy. So they last a really long time if you take really good care of them. But anyways, I'm going to end it there. I'm just showing you, basically I just want to do an unboxing and all that good stuff. If you have any questions, I'm going to be going over some stuff as I go down the road, out in the ice tent and all that stuff, and out in the boat. I'll do a few more videos on this. This is just the unboxing video right now, but if you do have any questions on it, feel free to ask. There's going to be a link to get one of these in the description, so feel free to look that up or check it out and get yourself one of these if you're looking for one. They are an awesome battery. So until the next one, when we're out on the ice, we'll see you then.